A very important extension of the organic social media usage is content marketing and SEO or search engine optimization. There are tools available which, once embedded in your website, enable it for search engine optimization. You can define keywords for your objective, and these keywords would be searchable by various search engines. Content marketing, like I had told you in my previous short clip, again becomes very important. Now, when this content marketing is added to your website in form of short blog posts, anywhere between 300 to 2000 words, people get interested and they start visiting your website again and again. Also, through search engines, since you have deployed search engine optimization, various search engines will read your quality content and lead visitors to your website as well. So this becomes a very important marketing strategy. There are tools which are available, Rank Math, Yoast SEO. All these tools provide for basic SEO free of charge. These are all open source tools. Thank you. Have a good day.